TikTok ads are going viral and very affordable right now. But many Nigerians are struggling to pay for their TikTok ads. I have tested different payment methods myself. And in this video, I will reveal the most reliable and simple way to pay for your TikTok ads in Nigeria. So you can stop wasting time and start making massive sales on TikTok using TikTok ads. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. After login, you will see your business center right here, and this is your Ads Manager. Click on your TikTok Ads Manager account and it will open up like this. Down below, you will see switch to full version. Click on switch to full version. Then you will see the switch to full version. This will take you to the full Ads Manager experience. All selections and progress made here will be lost. Then click on exit. Now at your TikTok Ads Manager dashboard, you will see actions to be taken here. Provided you have not set up your payment method, you will see set up payment details here, and you will see this particular button, set up payment. Click on set up payment. These are the steps to set up your payment on TikTok Ads Manager. Step 1 is to enter your billing information. Then step 2 is to set your payment methods or funds. So let's start with the first one. Click on enter billing information. The first information here is tax ID, which is optional. Then the next thing, enter your business address. Just click here to enter your business address. You will see state or province. Enter the state. Just select the state here. Then the city will pop up here. Click on city and select the particular city where your business is located. After that, you will see street address here. Select the street address. Enter the street address. Then enter your postal code. After that, click on this submit button. You can see that step 1 is completed. Let's go to step 2, which is to add balance to fund your ad campaigns. So click on add balance here. You will see amount here. Then below it, you will see the area to input the amount you want to fund. The minimum to fund here is 15,000 naira. So if you input 15,000 naira here, you will see that they are giving you a VAT. So they are adding a VAT of 1,125 naira, making it total of 16,125 naira. Then click on this confirm button to proceed. Click on this credit or debit card, select it. For now, TikTok does not have the bank transfer option, so you have to pay with your card. You can use Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Input your card details here. You will see card number, expiry date, CVV. This is the security code, which is the 3-digit number at the back of your card. Then card holder name, that is the exact name on your card or your bank account name. After entering all your card information, click on this make payment button right here. So I'll click on make payment now, and your payment is processing. You can see processing payment, so just wait. Payment successful. After your payment has been processed successfully, you will see your payment under available cash balance right here. You can see my 15,000 naira, and this is the total that I funded. You remember they deducted VAT, value added tax. Okay, then subsequently, when you want to fund your ad account again, you will see this add balance right here. Click on this add balance button and you'll be able to add the amount you want to fund, just as we have done. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.